ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do decompression adjustment first. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let it go. Let it go. Nice.
Felt that.
You felt that? Very good. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Good. Let it go. Good. Okay, slightly. I'm going to put my hand under there. Let it go. Good. Let it go. Good. Completely relax.
No, fine.
Good. Other side. Okay, relax.
No, before it was here, like,
Good.
yeah, I feel better.
I'm gonna go through.
Now, I mean,
How's that feel now?
you can
Better.
do it more and more.
I felt that one.
Yeah.